Whether you own a truck for work or for leisure, if you're looking for a reliable and impressive sound system, you're welcome to come in and experience the full sound system demonstrated in our show truck. You'll be able to hear it with your own ears and make an informed decision. We pay meticulous attention to detail. We build custom mounting boards for amplifiers, sound processors, and epicenters to ensure everything is securely in place for optimal sound. Our expertly trained professionals have been providing quality automotive services for over 25 years, so you can trust that your ride is in good hands. Our state-of-the-art facility has all the latest technology, ensuring that your vehicle is running as efficiently as possible. We also offer competitive rates on parts and labor, so you'll get the best value for your money. Make the smart choice and trust Audio Motorsports to take care of your truck.
She fine and she gon' get a son. No, get you a dog, son. Check out my dog, you know he been my weenie. Fuck when y'all low and he needs a pee. The middle of the town, I was fucking a 50. Yeah. Thanks for them love, sweet, now you get 60. All of my bitches be yellow like Beezy. Press on these niggas, I make it look easy. I'm dragging my nuts, they be all on my Fiji. Tripping these bitches, they eating my spill up. Ran out of gas.
I swear I got it honest, think I got it from grandmama. I got Wayne in my blood, Jackie boy about them dollars. I was in the castle packing boy about that house money. Super form, no deposit. It was me and Soda in a form, erotic. Had them niggas sick about it, had that shit in chicken boxes. 10 ball, 25K, 50,000. I'm with the fiends, slapping out the bed, project houses. I get lonely shit.
We play street games, you know.
Hey, what your man's on? Figure it out. Niggas fans though. I did this verse with my chain on. This a dance song. Niggas not really who they say they is. Knock this shit off, Mr. Potato Head. I'm in California smoking baby lead. I just paid $1 for an 8 of red. Ray, you look like money. I just say between my sweet. You just got on up, boy, you late as hell.
Man, what's the state? Tell him suck my dick with your little telling ass. Stress out, it feel like I'm the one who can bring Pelly back. Don't steal from me and snake me out, I'm bringing Melly back. Petty ass ain't fuck me like she said, ain't get her belly wrapped. I don't beef with niggas on the net, that shit fair years. One out that I had.
Nada ayuda aunque le piensas. Yo estresaba mi guitarra exigiéndole grandeza.
21, can you do something for me? Drop some boys to my pussy ass for me. Then 21,
got no diamonds in the watch. This shit costs a lot. Never seen a bitch or die. That's how you get shot. I DM in Spanish mode, I do that shit a lot. Took the panties off and this bitch thicker than a pot. All my exes ain't nothing, them hoes busted. If my ops ain't rapping, they ass stuckin'. You ain't ready to pull the trigger, don't clutch.
Watching AMS TV. 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 AMS TV.